Hi everyone. Okay, Teacher Faiza will share with you the mark scheme for our quiz 1 for this semester for topic chapter 1, Molecule of Life. Okay, so this is the mark scheme. So for question 1, okay, this is about water. So this is the answer. Okay, you must mention hydrogen bond and pull down outwards, or also can be mentioned cohesion force. Okay, this one teacher already share with one video. You can refer to that one. Right, so then this is how the sodium chloride plays in water. Okay, you must mention all the 3 points. Okay, so this is consider number 1 done. Okay, next proceed to number 2. Okay, so for number 2, about rice. So must mention the starch, okay, with the hydrolysis process. So you get 1 mark. And water molecule must be added to this, okay, must complete the bond. Okay, and alpha glucose also must mention. Okay, so you managed to get 3 marks here, right? And then this one, aldose. Okay, wrong if you write down 6 carbon wrong okay, so exos aldose, right? Okay, so then major energy source, this is the 1 point, okay, and another one is major respiratory surface substrate, okay, so 2 marks here, right? So make sure you mention the polymer is starch, okay, remember we learn polysaccharide, GSC, okay. G glycogen, starch and cellulose. Okay, so linear must mention in your answer. Okay, so another one is branch and unbranch must also mention. Okay, so all in, there are 4 marks. Okay, done with that. Next, question lipid. Okay, for lipid, okay, so you have to mention type of lipid, 1 characteristic. So it's a fat, solid, it's a fat, okay, must have okay, but other either one. Okay, so 2 marks. And then how to explain, okay, butter does butter dissolve in water? Most of you forget to answer this. The answer is no, okay. And in order to explain your answer, you have to draw the triangles, right, and show the non-polar, right? Okay, this is the only one for health. Ingat class? Okay, the question asks you about health purpose. Okay, okay, next about this is health purpose for lipid. Okay, next for protein. Okay, for protein, most of you forget to circle the hydrogen atom. Okay, so all must correct, that you manage to get 1 mark. Okay, class. Okay, then proceed to the next. Okay, next the drawing. Okay, so this what you have to draw, acidic. Remember teacher mentioned, okay, the element that involve in NCC. So when acidic, the amino acid will ionize to become positive. When it's basic, the carboxy will ionize to become negative. Okay, so when you need to draw, like teacher mentioned, okay, formation of dipeptide, okay, you must draw the theronine plus theronine, removal of water here. The process you must mention. Okay, must show the peptide bond and the product. Okay, the dipeptide in water. Okay, all correct. Okay, and then you manage to get 1 mark. Okay, next the shape. Most of you confused this class. Okay, so level and bond. Okay, so tertiary, quaternary, primary, secondary. Okay, and tertiary, like teacher mentioned, peptide bond is a must for all the all the level structure. Okay, and then followed by number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, so at least 2 you have to mention. Same goes to one, quaternary, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, right? So at least, so that means for this you get 2 marks. Okay, next. Why describe, this is the application. Application. So unstable. Most of you get this mark denatured. So you have to mention all this class, the bond will break. Right, so this will contribute 3 marks. Last but not least, for question 6 is about nucleic acid. So obviously this is purine, purine, teacher give you the formula, 2 puga purine, it's a guanine and adenine. For DNA it's a C2. Sorry, ada one pyri C2, but for DNA it's a CT. G will complement with 3 hydrogen bond. A will complement with 2 hydrogen bond. So it's a purine. This is a pyrimidine. 1 carbon bond. Purine is a 2 carbon ring. This is a 1 carbon ring structure. So automatically, so try to avoid, AT, try to avoid, must write down full sentence. And how to describe the based on Watson and Crick. Watson and Crick. So there are a lot. There is our alternative answer, but teacher like to emphasize this one. Class, please make sure you familiar with this term, complementary. And then purine pair with pyrimidine, like teacher shows, purine, pyrimidine. A pairing with T, join with hydrogen bond. G will pairing with C with the hydrogen bond, like teacher showed just now, like this. In this diagram. Right. Last but not least, how to compare. So DNA and RNA, this one same, GAC, guanine, adenine, cytosine. But for DNA, instead of the thymine, and you should still, 1 mark for this one. And one more thing, in DNA, A is the same ratio. Same ratio, where in RNA is not the same. 1 mark. So class, that's all for our discussion for the quiz. So end of question paper. So please make correction. Do your correction, class, and submit to me. Thank you, class. All the best for your PPS. Thank you. Love you. Bye.